rising water in the southeast sector, beginning aerial sweep for survivors.
Florida's urban search and rescue teams are trained, equipped, and ready 24/7. When your communities are devastated, they're the first in and the last to leave.
We specialize in structural collapse and technical rescue. We've trained for this. When seconds matter most, we're here to save lives.
Our teams can operate in floodwaters, collapsed buildings, or confined spaces. No matter the threat, we show up.
We bring everything we need to be self-sufficient for up to 14 days. We don't wait for help, we are the help.
Our equipment is interchangeable across the state. We train together, we work together, and we respond as one team with one mission.
While local responders are protecting their homes and families, we're there to assist them, making sure everyone is accounted for and supporting recovery.
We've been through Hurricane Ian. We've pulled survivors from floodwaters and barrier islands. We don't stop until everyone is safe.
We carry high-tech tools, such as listening devices, search cameras, drones, and other technical equipment that help us locate, reach, and rescue in any condition or situation.
Disasters don't care where you live, and neither do we. Florida Urban Search and Rescue teams come together and deploy with one mission: to restore hope when everything else is broken.
When chaos strikes, Florida's urban search and rescue teams show up for every community, every time.